Number 1. 1978 Ford F-150 FX2 Pickup 2D 6.5 feet, $8,000, Greendale, Indiana. This 1978 Ford F-150 is a solid two-owner truck with very little rust and a strong mechanical foundation. It is powered by a 351 Windsor V8 paired with a C4 automatic transmission. Though the transmission currently leaks from the front pump, the included rebuild kit and newer torque converter help offset that issue. The truck retains factory air conditioning, working electricals, and brand new tires. With its red-on-red color scheme and clean overall appearance, it would make a great driver quality classic or a straightforward show truck project. Number 2. 1969 Dodge D350, $5,000, Bay City, Michigan. This 1969 Dodge D350 is an unusually original heavy-duty Dodge pickup that has escaped major modifications. The slant 6 engine and 4-speed manual transmission are known for durability, and the seller still has the original engine that came with the truck. The truck's originality is its biggest strength. Late 1960s Dodge work trucks are becoming harder to find in stock form, making this a compelling candidate for preservation rather than customization. Number 3. 1975 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe, $6,000, Placerville, California. This 1975 Chevrolet K20 is a capable square-body four-wheel drive with desirable heavy-duty components. It features a healthy 350 small-block V8, SM465 manual transmission, NP205 transfer case, Dana 44 front axle, and 14-bolt rear axle with 4.11 gears. Some rust is present in the cab floor and bed, but the seller describes it as repairable. New worn locking hubs, fresh fluids, and a good clutch make this a usable driver now and a strong off-road restoration candidate later. Number 4. 1970 Ford F250 HD long bed, $6,850, Tucson, Arizona. This 1970 Ford F250 Camper Special combines classic styling with practical heavy-duty capability. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 manual transmission, it has received recent mechanical attention, including manifold gaskets and a new steering box. The truck shows age appropriately with dents and dings, but the paint and overall presentation remain attractive. Camper Special models are especially appealing because they were built to handle heavier loads and slide-in campers. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet C20 regular cab long bed, $7,000. Haxtun, Colorado. This 1978 Chevrolet C20 is a classic square-body work truck with a strong-running V8 and manual transmission. The seller notes that it was cherished by an experienced mechanic for decades, which adds confidence to its mechanical care. The truck also features airbag suspension, making it more capable for towing or hauling. For buyers wanting a dependable classic truck with honest history and useful upgrades, this C20 stands out. Number 6. 1987 Toyota Pickup, $4,000, Los Angeles, California. This 1987 Toyota Pickup highlights the toughness that made 1980s Toyota trucks legendary. Despite its high mileage, the seller reports that it drives very well and everything works properly. The unusual dual rear wheel setup adds utility for heavier hauling, while the simple 4-cylinder manual transmission combination keeps maintenance straightforward. The salvage title lowers collectability, but as a usable vintage truck, it still has plenty of appeal. Number 7. 1970 Ford Ranchero, $8,000. Laguna Hills, California. This 1970 Ford Ranchero blends muscle car attitude with pickup practicality. The built 302 V8 T5 manual transmission, limited slip rear end, upgraded ignition, and rebuilt suspension create a much more engaging driving experience than a stock Ranchero. The rust-free California body, quality paint, and updated gauges make it especially attractive. Rancheros remain popular because they deliver classic Ford performance with everyday usefulness. Number 8. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Short Stepside, $10,000, Paris, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 Short Stepside is one of the most desirable body styles in the classic truck market. It comes with a 350 V8 automatic transmission, factory power brakes, rally wheels, and an extra fender. The truck still needs repairs, but the engine is described as good, and the overall package has strong restoration potential. Short step-side C10s consistently attract buyers because of their compact proportions and iconic styling. Number 9. 1969 Ford F100 7.3 diesel conversion, $12,500, Camarillo, California. This custom 1969 Ford F100 combines vintage looks with modern diesel capability. The body sits on a 1997 F250 chassis and uses the legendary 7.3-liter Power Stroke diesel, along with upgraded steering, brakes, turbo components, and suspension. The result is a practical Restomod that should drive far better than a stock 1969 pickup while still keeping classic Ford character. Diesel-swapped classics like this continue to gain attention among truck enthusiasts. Number 10. 1965 Ford F250 Long Bed, $15,000, Prunedale, California. This 1965 Ford F250 appears to be a well-sorted classic, with substantial mechanical and cosmetic work already completed. It is powered by a Ford FE Series 390 V8 and a C6 automatic transmission, and the seller says it starts easily and runs strongly. The twin I-beam front suspension gives it a distinctly vintage Ford driving feel, while the clean California title and registration make ownership easier. It is an appealing mix of usability and classic charm. Number 11. 1973 Toyota Hilux, $11,500, Union City, California. This 1973 Toyota Hilux is exceptionally original and remarkably rust-free for its age. The seller states the paint, interior, engine, and transmission are all original, and the truck is still driven daily. Its 4-speed manual transmission, simple mechanicals, and strong running condition make it a standout survivor. Early Hilux trucks are becoming highly collectible because so few remain in this kind of unmodified condition. Number 12. 1975 Ford F250, $12,000, San Diego, California. This 1975 Ford F250 is a sharp, ready-to-enjoy classic powered by a 390 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. Recent upgrades include new paint, interior, bed liner, wheels, and tires. The truck presents as a solid driver rather than a rough project, which is increasingly valuable in today's market. Mid-1970s Ford pickups continue to rise in popularity thanks to their durability and timeless styling. Number 13. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed Square Body, $11,500, Spokane Valley, Washington. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 is a very appealing square body truck with original paint, a 307 V8, turbo 350 automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. The seller reports that it runs smoothly and has received interior upgrades, including a custom seat and new carpet. Original, unmodified square body trucks are increasingly hard to find. Its honest presentation and solid mechanical setup make it one of the stronger all-around buys in this group. Number 14, 1984 Dodge D50 Power Ram Pickup, $875, Turner, Oregon. This 1984 Dodge D50 Power Ram is an inexpensive project truck with real vintage appeal. Built on Mitsubishi mechanicals, it features a 2.6-liter four-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and four-wheel drive system. It currently does not run and likely needs carburetor work, but the truck appears complete. Compact 1980s 4x4 pickups are gaining niche collector interest, making this a potentially fun, low-budget restoration. Number 15, 1949 Willys Truck, $18,950, Estes Park, Colorado. This 1949 Willys Truck is a nearly finished restoration that reportedly starts easily and runs reliably. The exterior has fresh paint with only minor imperfections, while the interior still needs completion, but includes many original components. Willys trucks are admired for their rugged post-war design and connection to early American utility vehicles. For someone wanting a distinctive vintage truck with most of the hard work already done, this is a strong candidate. Number 16, 1977 Ford Custom 100, $6,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1977 Ford Custom 100 is a straightforward classic pickup with a 351 V8, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck presents as a clean and usable driver. Without power steering, it offers a more traditional old-school truck feel. Its simplicity, clean title, and solid overall condition make it an attractive option for buyers wanting an affordable vintage Ford they can enjoy immediately.